Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get fishing license in Texas. So first, in your search bar, just type in this phrase, fishing license in Texas, and right off the bat, you should see a link from TPWD Texas Gov's website. All you have to do is click and follow this link. You will then be redirected to this page where you can see information about fishing licenses and packages and how you can get them. So here, if you scroll down, you can see packages specifically for freshwater species. And those license packages are resident freshwater package, senior freshwater package, and non-resident freshwater package. And here you can also see the eligibility for these licenses and also the fee that you have to pay to get this license package. They also have here saltwater packages, basically the same with freshwater, but this is specifically for saltwater species. And for you to be able to avail any of these license packages, you can buy it online or you can find a retailer so you can get it from them. Just follow the link. So here you can buy the license online. Just click on purchase items. And here you will be prompted first to log in or create your customer's account. Then once inside, you can now proceed with purchasing the license online. Another option is to buy it from a retailer. So just click on find a retailer. And here you just have to enter in your city's name so you can find the nearest licensed retailer near your location. So purchasing of licenses depends on what specific license you're trying to get. We also have here the all water licenses, and you can also see here the fee and the links where you can get them. Now here for specific fishing guide licenses, you can only get at a TPWD law enforcement sales office. And by following the link, you will be redirected to this page where you can purchase it online. So there will be $5 administrative, but you can always check if there is available licensed retailer near your location. Now here you can see the lifetime fishing licenses and tags. So just follow this link if this is the license you're trying to get. And here you can see that the current license packages is available by application. So first you have to download and fill out this PDF form. So just click on this. And here all you have to do is fill out this application. You can also call TPWD at this hotline for assistance. And here, lifetime license applications can only be processed at Law Enforcement Office or TPWD Austin headquarters. This is specifically for the lifetime licenses and non-resident military, their dependents, and non-resident individuals under 17 years of age are not eligible for lifetime licenses. For lifetime license, endorsement, and that, you can avail it online or you can find a nearest retailer in your location. So you can basically do it all at tpwd.texas.gov and purchase or get your fishing license online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!